It is marching higher on sign that inflation has peaked, but it is not a really usual thrust. The latest reads on CPI and PPI confirm this peak, which might be confirmed later this week when the PCE price index is released. But this is not the news the market needs. The market needs to hear that earning power will return to the S&P 500, and right now, it doesn't look like this is happening. The most recent features for S&P 500 earnings from Factset suggest that not only is that really to be trusted, but this market might even move down to set a new low. Peak inflation is good news, but the FOMC and high prices hurt the S&P 500 earnings power. Inflation is up double digit in the last 2 years, and coupled with historically high interest rates, is hurting demand and S&P 500 margin. On the inflation front, while it is slowing, it has not gone away. For higher prices to quiet impacting consumer, they have to fall, and deflation is not central to the big picture. Not yet anyway, although it has been creeping into the edges. For higher interest rates to stop hurting the economic outlook, they too will need to fall with the FOMC sticking its outlook of higher rates for longer. It doesn't look like that pressure is out of the picture either. Nvidia Corporation was one of the many chipmaker stocks that struggled through 2022. Not only did this stock drop as much as 70%, but its revenue has also been contracting for the past 2 quarters. Considering the major headwinds it faced such as US-China, tension and supply chain disruption, it's somewhat understandable. However, with less than 3 weeks gone this year, we are once again excited about Nvidia stock and aren't the only ones. They are also looking for the company's automotive business to kick into gear this year, while their software revenues should also trend upwards. The bullish stance on Nvidia's prospect this year was echoed by the team at Bank of America, who reiterated their buy ratings on the bottom and advanced micro device ins last week. This was based on the fresh data showing that major hyperscalers are expected to grow cloud spending in the coming month. This industry-wide tailwind was also one of the reasons that Goldman Sachs included Nvidia as one of its top 50 stocks based on a target return on equity. For what's worth, Nvidia was 10 spots higher than AMD. Specific to Nvidia, a fresh collaboration with Bio-Nanogenomic Inc. to develop an acceleration platform has also been welcoming news this month. The platform will help analyze almost 100 cancer workflows, and it's indicative of strategic thinking by management, who are focused on maintaining high diversification. That's all about stock news from us. Make sure to follow all our social media for always update development world stock, Laba Academy, and trading education.